Okay, so continuing on, what I'd like to do now is position this collar a certain distance back. We're not sure exactly where it's going to go at this point, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick that face right there and hold down the control key and pick this face right here. And I moved my mouse too quickly, I lost that icon, so I'll just bring this in over here, and you can see I'm actually going to put a distance constraint in there, and then it's going to ask me, well, it's actually showing in millimeters right now, so let me just make that maybe 40 millimeters. Okay, so you can see where that is right now, and I'll go ahead and accept that. And while I'm at it, everything else on here is in inches, so I'm going to click on the options button, and whoops, I got to get out of the bait first. Okay, click on the options button, and document properties, I'm going to go to units, and I'm going to switch this to inches, and I think I'm going to make this 3 decimal places accuracy. So okay, so all right, so we have that ready, and now we also want to get the motor lined up here. Okay, so I want to get this axle in the motor. So let me zoom in on that, and I want to make sure I pick the right axis, so I'll pick that, and I want that mated with this axis over here, so I'll hold down the control key and pick that axis and click that button right there. Okay, so now the thing is kind of inside there, which isn't what we want, right? So I'm going to, right now I don't need to see the temporary axis, so I'm going to shut that off. Okay, and then see if I can grab this, pull this out. Okay, and then I want these surfaces right here. So I'm going to be using surfaces right now. So I'm going to put this, toggle this button on. So I'm going to pick that surface, and I can pick this surface and just make that parallel. So, and I forgot to hold down the control key there. So there we go. All right, so I'll just go ahead and make that parallel. Okay, and then I'll pick this inside surface right there, and pick this surface right here, and make that coincident. Okay. All right, so let's see where we are now. All right, so we've got that's seated in there, that's all set. So let's see, now what we'd like to do is put this motor in here. So what we're going to need to do is, let's see, bring that motor around like this and try and rotate it around, and so now we're going to turn on the visibility of the temporary axes again. Okay, and I'll go ahead and select, I got to turn off my toggle switch for the surfaces now, so I can select the axle, the center line there, and so where do we want that? We want that right there. Hold down the control key and do that. Okay. All right, so now we want to bring this motor in here. Let's see. Let me grab one of these axes right here and hold down the control key and see if I can pick that axis right there. Okay, and then we want to, now we're going to go back to surfaces. I have to stop here.